selected. This is a race challenge. Time to bring your A game. Gotta tap fast to launch your car. 2-finger controls. Okay, you can do better next time. Show me what you've got. Was cool. Challenge cleared. Stellar. Roger Dodger is ready to roll. We'll check out your garage later. I've got something much better lined up. That's a ton of track pieces. Connect them to your launcher and get building. See that big arch over there? That's your goal. It'll move with you as you build your track. Neat, huh? Check this out. I've got something amazing to show you. Tap here. When you're ready to race your track, slap the race button. No rush though. Take your time. Make it awesome. Tracks! Yeah! That's what Hot Wheels is all about! Use these to loop, boost, crash, and clash with the nemesis! Press the spin button for a random name, or swipe the reels to create one! Choose your ride! Race on! See the... Arcade steering!